Welcome to Herman Hits the Road. I'm Ads, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at a new gadget for the GoPro Hero 8. It is the Media Mod. So what is the Media Mod? It is, well, on the back here you can just about see that it's a little device that wraps around the GoPro Hero 8, and you can buy extra accessories such as a lamp here and a view screen that flips up so you can see what you're looking at, or what the camera's looking at when it's pointing at you. The reason I got it was because of the audio capabilities. Now the GoPro itself, the Hero 8, has better audio than its previous GoPros. But what I want to do is actually plug in a different microphone, just so that I have an added benefit of wind reduction and better sound quality. Now the thing is with the GoPro Hero 8, its huge flaw, I think, is the battery holder here. It's just pull it out and lift off. You can actually pull it off. It's quite simple. You have the battery here with the SD card as well, and right down here, that socket there is where you put the USB-C adapter in to plug in your external microphones. So you've got to have that door hanging off with the battery exposed, and of course it's easy to pull out the battery. So that is a huge flaw. Now what this does, the Media Mod, it actually covers the entire GoPro, and I do believe the door comes off, and it's got an external microphone as well, and also two cold shoes. And we will look at that once I've opened the box. Some instructions, move those to the side. So we have in the kit, we have the Media Mod itself, and the typical GoPro mounts that normally come with a GoPro, and there is nothing else in there. Right, so let's take a look at the Media Mod itself. Yeah, I'll read the instructions before I tamper, but looks like that opens somehow. And then inside here, that goes onto the battery compartment like I thought it would. On the back, we have the USB-C again, HDMI mini port, and we have that improvement of the audio quality. This is a directional mic. It looks like there's some sort of microphone happening at the side and the back, so that'd be interesting to take a look at as well, I think. And then the all-important one for me is that we have here the audio socket. So you can put in a mic jack in there while you're charging, and that's not actually that heavy. It's quite light actually. So let's get on, mount it all up and see what it looks like. The instructions tell me to remove the door. So that's 1 and 2. Number 3 is opening the mod itself, the Media Mod. So you pull this down. Oh, okay. So it's a little clippy thing. It doesn't move much. Just clips on like that. Yeah, could feel a bit stronger to be quite honest, but anyway. Now then, GoPro just slides in, and of course we've got to line up the USB-C with the socket there. That feels like it's gone in. There you go, nicely done. And then number 6, we close the door. And number 7 says that it actually latches up. which I don't think it does. So that is the GoPro Hero 8 with its media mod. Oh, I see, I didn't realise this. The little legs on the GoPro 8 are still functional. I thought it'd be new legs on the media mod, but no, they hang down and you can mount whatever you want on there, so you can carry it around with you. On the last page of the instructions, it says that it is no longer waterproof. One thing I'd also like to mention, as I'm looking around this media mod with the camera in it, couple of things. The buttons, there's the power button there, and the record button there. They feel exactly the same as pressing the buttons on the actual GoPro itself. Also, I noticed this very strange curvy bit there. Did you see that? I wondered what that was for at first, but then I realised as you pull the the stands out, you can put your screw in there, and that's what that recess is for. So it's easily accessible, easily to twist around. So the GoPro Hero 8 with its battery and SIM card weighs in at 124 grams. With the media mod, it weighs in at 163 grams. On its own, the media mod weighs 50 grams. The original GoPro audio connector weighs in at 29 grams. Okay, so to use the media mod, we need to update our camera. So I'm going to do that and we'll do some audio tests. So the update is done. Now the screen on the GoPro actually says Media Mod connected. Tap the video settings to see your new microphone options. So let's go ahead and do that. So the settings that they're talking about, I think, is actually under the standard here. So you go to the video settings and select one of your items here. So maybe it means that each setting here, you can have a whole list of them, can have a different mic setting. So standard, we're going to scroll down to mics and see what options are under. Now mics, it's yellow here, so maybe that's selected. Right, so microphones, front. Use media mod mic to prioritize audio coming from the front of the camera. And then we have microphones back. Use a media mod to prioritize audio coming from behind the camera. Oh, I see. So you can actually, so this is a forward and back facing camera. Not omnidirectional, but directional. The previous mic setting will be restored after the media mod is removed. Okay. Stereo. Use when wind is not a factor and you want to ensure that your GoPro records in stereo. Okay, so this is an audio test with the GoPro Hero 8 without the mod. This is the raw audio from the microphone that is built into the GoPro 8. So now we are getting audio from our front-facing media mod microphone. So how does that sound? It should be nice and clear. Probably got a bit of an echo in the room already, but it should be a lot better than the previous one. Well, you would hope so. So now we're using the media mod's rear microphone. And if I turn it round, that is how it sounds when you're actually facing the same direction as the camera. Now we have an external Rode microphone plugged into it. Very simple, just happen to mount it on one of the cold shoes and plug in the microphone to the audio jack. As you can probably see though, there's a bit of a problem with the microphone getting in the way. The fluffy furry cat there is in the way of the video. But it should be a lot better sound. Or you'd hope it would be a lot better sound than all previous tests. Now I have the external Rode microphone connected to the other shoe, so you should not be able to see it in the video now. Alternatively, you can mount the mic on a little adapter there, which is actually just an extension of a cold shoe, which is what I use for my GoPro 6. Or you can use a lavalier microphone like I have got here. And this is what the Rode lavalier microphone sounds like. So what do you think? Is the audio any different? Is it worse? Is it any better? Could you see yourself purchasing the Media Mod just so that you can get some decent audio for an extra £80 on top of the GoPro Hero 8? Let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.